Hello! In the previous video, we solved the higher order ODE using the Euler method. In this video, we're going to solve higher order ODE using the Heun method. So, the first steps will be the same. We'll take our higher order ODE, okay, define u as y prime, then we'll rewrite our ODE as u prime plus u is minus y plus t plus 1, and then send this u term on the other side, and this will give us our second ODE. Our first ODE obviously is the u equals y prime. Let's see how things change. So, exactly like before, we'll have a table with the variable t, u, which we can now call it corrector, okay, u prime, which we calculate from this function, and y corrector. Okay, and obviously in the Heun's method, the corrector for the first iteration, which is the initial value, equals to the initial values that we are given. So u corrector is going to be y prime at t is 0, that's 1, and y corrector is going to be y at 0, which is 1. Okay, now moving to our next step, we want to calculate the u predictor, which we will note with u star, right? And the y predictor star. Okay, and we're going to calculate u star and y star using the Heun's method. So, u star will equal whatever u was before, 1 plus the slope, u prime at the previous time is 1, times the step, which is 0.2, so that equals 1.2. Now, the u corrector will be the u at the previous time, 1 plus the step over 2, 0.2 over 2, yeah, and multiplied by the slope at the previous time, so u prime is 1 plus the slope at this time calculated from u star. So that's our function for u prime. So we'll have minus u predictor is 1.2, so minus 1.2 minus u, which we'll have to calculate, plus t is 0.2 plus 1. So let's calculate the u predictor. So the u predictor will be the previous u, the corrector, 1 plus the slope of u prime at the previous time, which is 1, times the step, which is 0.2, that equals 1.2, and now we can bring this number to this y and find the u corrector. 1.2 plus 0.2 plus 1, close the parenthesis, close the bracket, and that equals 1.22. Now let's calculate the y corrector. The y corrector will be the previous y, 1 plus the step over 2, 0.2 over 2, and the average of y prime at the previous time, so 1 and y prime at the current time 1.22, and that equals 1.222, and now we want to find y prime using our function, so minus u is minus 1.22 minus y 0.222 plus t is 0.2 plus 1 equals minus 1.242. So, in the same way, we can continue this algorithm and solve this second order ODE using the Heun's method.